Hello students, welcome to our first lesson on business studies. Our topic is Introduction to Business Studies. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain what business studies is, identify its major areas, state its importance, and explain how it relates to everyday life. Now let's begin. Every day, people buy and sell goods and services. Parents buy food and clothing for their families. Shop owners sell products to customers. Banks help people save and transfer money. Offices use computers to keep records and communicate. All these activities are connected to the world of business. To understand these activities better, we study a subject called business studies. Business studies is a subject that teaches the knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values needed for business activities. It helps students understand how people provide goods and services, manage resources, earn income, and contribute to the economy. Business studies is useful for everyone, not just business owners. Whether you want to become a doctor, teacher, engineer, banker, accountant, lawyer, or entrepreneur, the subject provides valuable knowledge and practical skills. Business studies consists of several important areas. These include bookkeeping, commerce, office practice, keyboarding, shorthand, entrepreneurship, and information and communication technology, also known as ICT. Each of these areas helps students develop useful skills for school, work, and everyday life. Now let us look at the importance of business studies. Business studies help students develop important life skills such as communication, organization, problem-solving, record-keeping, and decision-making. It prepares students for future careers by providing a foundation for further learning and employment. It helps students understand how businesses operate and how goods and services move from producers to consumers. Business studies also promotes entrepreneurship by encouraging creativity, innovation, and self-reliance. In addition, it helps students become responsible consumers who can make wise financial decisions. The subject develops office and computer skills that are useful in today's digital world. Finally, business studies contributes to national development by producing knowledgeable and productive citizens. Business studies is closely related to our daily lives. When you buy something from a shop, save money in a bank, use a computer, or keep records, you are connected to activities that business studies helps us understand. Let us summarize today's lesson. Business studies is a subject that provides knowledge and skills related to business activities. It includes areas such as bookkeeping, commerce, office practice, keyboarding, shorthand, entrepreneurship, and ICT. The subject develops life skills, prepares students for future careers, promotes entrepreneurship, develops computer skills, and contributes to national development. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. In our next lesson, we shall discuss the meaning of business. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson.